Hello, friends. It's Ricky Lee here. I'm so excited to talk to you about staying active as we age. You know, getting older doesn't mean slowing down. In fact, it's the perfect time to get moving. Our bodies may change, but they still need exercise. And the good news is, it's never too late to start. Think about it like this. Our bodies are like cars. They need regular maintenance to run smoothly. Just like you wouldn't let your car sit in the garage for months, you shouldn't let your body stay still for too long. Moving keeps everything working well. It helps us feel good and stay independent. So, are you ready to join me on this journey? Let's reimagine what fitness looks like in our golden years. Let's talk about why moving is so important for us seniors. First off, it's great for our bodies. Regular exercise helps keep our muscles strong. This means we can do everyday things more easily. Things like carrying groceries or playing with grandkids become a breeze. Plus, it helps our balance, which means fewer falls. That's a big deal as we get older. Exercise is wonderful for our minds too. It can help us feel happier and less stressed. When we move, our bodies release feel-good chemicals. These can boost our mood and even help us sleep better at night. Who doesn't want that? Exercising can be a great way to meet new friends. Maybe you join a walking group or a gentle yoga class. Suddenly, you're surrounded by people who share your interests. It's a fantastic way to stay connected and have fun. Exercise gives us the energy and confidence to keep living life to the fullest. All right, friends, let's focus on our upper body. Don't worry, we're keeping it simple and gentle. First up, let's try some seated arm raises. Sit in a comfy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Now, slowly raise your arms out to the sides, then up over your head. It's like you're reaching for the sky. Lower them back down and repeat. This helps keep our shoulders and arms strong. Next, we have wall push-ups. These are great for building strength without putting too much pressure on our joints. Stand facing a wall, about arm's length away. Place your hands on the wall at shoulder height. Now lean in towards the wall, bending your elbows. Then push back to the starting position. It's like a regular push-up, but much easier on our bodies. Here's another easy one, shoulder rolls. Sit or stand tall. Slowly roll your shoulders forward in a circle. Do this a few times, then reverse the direction. This helps loosen up any tension we might be holding in our neck and shoulders. Every little bit of movement counts. Now, let's move on to our lower body. Strong legs and good balance are so important as we age. They help us stay steady on our feet and prevent falls. Let's start with seated leg lifts. Sit in a chair with your back straight. Slowly lift one leg until it's straight out in front of you. Hold for a moment, then lower it back down. Repeat with the other leg. This helps strengthen our thigh muscles. Next up is marching in place. This is a great exercise because it's easy and you can do it anywhere. Stand tall, holding onto a chair or counter if you need support. Now, lift one knee up towards your chest, then lower it back down. Alternate legs, like you're marching. This helps with balance and gets our heart rate up a bit too. Here's a fun one, the sit-to-stand exercise. Start by sitting in a chair. Now slowly stand up, then carefully sit back down. That's it. It might seem simple, but it's a great way to build strength in our legs and core. If it's too hard at first, use your hands to help push off the chair. As you get stronger, try to do it without using your hands. Remember, friends, take it slow and steady. Section 5. Core confidence, building a strong center. Let's talk about our core, friends. A strong core is like a sturdy foundation for a house. It helps us with balance, posture, and even breathing. Don't worry, we're not going to do any crazy sit-ups. We'll keep it gentle and effective. First, let's try seated torso twists. Sit up straight in your chair. Place your hands on your shoulders. Now, slowly turn your upper body to one side, then the other. It's like you're looking behind you. This helps keep our spine flexible. Next up is the modified plank. Now don't be scared by the word plank. Our version is much easier. Stand facing a counter or the back of a sturdy chair. Place your hands on the edge, arms straight. Now walk your feet back until your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Hold this position for a few seconds, then walk your feet back in. This helps strengthen our entire core. Here's a simple one: seated knee lifts. Sit tall in your chair. Lift one knee up towards your chest, then lower it back down. Alternate legs. Section 6. Heart Happy. Cardio for seniors made easy. Now, let's get our hearts pumping. Cardio exercise is so important for our overall health. It helps keep our hearts strong and our lungs working well. But don't worry, we're not going to be running any marathons. We'll keep it low impact and fun. First up, my favorite, walking. It's simple, free, and you can do it almost anywhere. Start with short walks around your home or neighborhood. As you get stronger, you can go a little farther or a little faster. If walking outside isn't an option, try marching in place. You can do this while watching TV or listening to your favorite music. Just lift your knees and pump your arms. It's like walking, but without going anywhere. Remember, the goal is to get your heart rate up a bit, but you should still be able to carry on a conversation. Here's another fun one: dancing. Put on some music you love and move to the beat. It doesn't matter what it looks like, just have fun with it. Dancing is great because it works your whole body and lifts your spirits too. Section 7. Safety first. Exercising smart in your golden years. All right, friends, before we get too carried away with all this fun exercise, let's talk about safety. It's important to stay active, but we need to do it in a way that's safe for our bodies. First and foremost, always check with your doctor before starting any new exercise program. They know your health best and can give you personalized advice. When you're exercising, listen to your body. If something hurts, stop doing it. There's a difference between the good kind of challenge and pain. We want to avoid pain at all costs. Start slow and gradually increase the amount and intensity of your exercise. Remember, we're not trying to win any races here. Slow and steady is the way to go. Make sure you have a safe environment for exercising. Clear away any clutter that could cause you to trip. Section 8. Mind matters. How exercise boosts brain power. Now let's talk about how exercise affects our brains. It's not just our bodies that benefit from staying active. Our minds do too. Regular exercise can help keep our brains sharp as we age. It's like a workout for our minds. When we exercise, more blood flows to our brain. This brings it the oxygen and nutrients it needs to work well. Exercise can also help improve our memory. Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you went there? We've all been there. Section 9. Social butterflies, the fun side of fitness. Let's talk about the social side of exercise, friends. Staying active doesn't have to be a solo activity. In fact, exercising with others can make it so much more fun. Consider joining a senior fitness class at your local community center or gym. You'll get to move your body and meet new people at the same time. It's a win-win. Walking groups are another great option. You can enjoy the outdoors, get some exercise, and chat with friends all at once. Section 10. Never too late. Embracing a fit future. As we wrap up, I want to remind you of something important. It's never too late to start exercising. Whether you're 65 or 95, your body can still benefit from movement. Don't let your age or current fitness level hold you back. Every journey starts with a single step. Your step might be as simple as standing up and sitting down a few times during TV commercials. That's okay. The important thing is that you're starting. Remember, progress is personal. Don't compare yourself to others, or even to your younger self. Focus on how you feel. Are you able to do a little more each week? Do you feel stronger or more energetic? These are the real measures of success. Celebrate every little victory along the way. Did you walk for 5 minutes today? That's wonderful. Give yourself a pat on the back. Consistency is key when it comes to exercise. Try to make movement a regular part of your day.